Hello, African hustlers. Are you ready to start making real money online? Even if you have zero experience. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start freelancing from scratch and make your first $1,000 from home. Grab your laptop or even your phone because we're diving in. The first step is picking a skill. Don't overthink it. Start with what you already know: writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, or even data entry. If you have no skills yet, don't worry. Platforms like Canva, ChatGPT, and free online courses can get you started fast. Now, pick a platform. For Southern Africa, some of the best options are Fiverr, Upwork, and Workana. These platforms pay globally and allow you to withdraw using Payoneer, Wise, or South African bank accounts. Create your profile, showcase your skills, and you're ready to apply for jobs. No experience? No problem. Start by creating sample projects. For example, design 3 social media graphics, write 2 blog posts, or create a mock video edit. Add these to your portfolio. Clients don't care if it's real work yet, they want to see your potential. Next, create your first gig. On Fiverr, title it clearly: I will design modern social media graphics, or I will write SEO-friendly blog posts. On Upwork, send personalized proposals. Keep it short, confident, and professional. Example: Hi, I'm your name. I can deliver this project in 48 hours with quality guaranteed. When starting, keep your prices competitive. $5, $20 per small task is fine. As you gain clients and reviews, increase your rates. Consistency and positive feedback are your fastest growth tools. Once you land a client, deliver high-quality work on time. Communicate clearly and politely. Happy clients lead to repeat work and referrals, which is how you scale from $0 to $1,000 per month or more. Keep applying, keep creating, and keep delivering. After 2 to 3 months of consistent effort, you'll notice your income growing. Add new skills, increase your rates, and always maintain quality. This is how you go from $0 to $1,000 a month. There you have it. Your complete roadmap to start freelancing in Southern Africa, even if you have no experience. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and join the EQTV Africa family where we empower African youth to earn, learn, and level up. Your first $1,000 is waiting. Start today.